what readers can do. Did you know you can do the marvelous stuff? You can travel to the world. And if that's not enough, you can go back in time to some long ago day. Be a king, be a queen, be a pirate, gangway. You can swim with the fishes beneath the blue sea. All you need is a book. Well, maybe a few, and the magic will happen. It's what readers can do.